Blue Line Technology, immediately addressing those at your doorstep. Blue Line Technology introduces a product that verifies identification in real time on the move and in a non-intrusive fashion. First Line Facial Recognition. The technology is highly different from facial recognition you may have seen before and provides an opportunity for preventive action. Retail businesses have the highest risk for robbery and homicide and are often subject to repeat victimization. Convenience store employees are the most victimized people in violent workplace incidents. Blue Line Technology has introduced a solution. First Line Facial Recognition is designed to deter and prevent crime at the doorstep before it occurs. Pictures of known threats can be entered into the system, and if someone approaches an entrance that has been equipped with the system, the camera will instantly recognize them as a threat, alert management, and not allow them entrance. The camera can be positioned so that a potential criminal is made aware that a system has caught their face on camera. This acts as a crime deterrent. In commercial and industrial settings, including industries such as public transportation, air travel, and stadium security, professionals are always searching to better regulate their access management strategies and add another level of security. Employees across the country regularly use keycards and fobs to access restricted areas. With First Line Facial Recognition, a dual authentication system is introduced, especially critical for controlled areas. First Line Facial Recognition will provide records of in and out activity to help with compliance and policy records requirements issues. First Line Facial Recognition keeps an eye on these individuals and makes sure you know exactly who's at your doorstep. Institutions like courthouses and schools are able to load known individuals into the system and conveniently allow access. Blue Line Technology's system can also be used as a way to enhance a customer's experience. Businesses like to be alerted when a premium customer walks through the door. There is also the convenience factor. In institutions like retirement homes and hospitals, peace of mind that only known visitors are allowed access to certain areas of the building is an invaluable benefit to the customer's experience. So, who exactly is Blue Line Technology? In addition to ample business and technology experience, Blue Line Technology was developed by a group of retired law enforcement personnel with more than 120 years of collective experience in crime reduction strategies and deterrence. Paul Brous is the CEO of Blue Line Technology. With more than 34 years of business leadership experience, Paul has been able to transform cultures to sustain profitability. As Chief Technology Officer, Dr. George Michaels is an internationally recognized computational science pioneer. Major Joseph Spees is a former St. Louis Police Department officer with more than 32 years in law enforcement. Gabe Keithley is a veteran of the St. Louis Police Department who has received congressional recognition for bravery under fire. Detective Tom Sawyer, a 21-year police veteran with Distinguished Service Awards from the U.S. Attorney's Office for investigation and task force work with the DEA. Marco Silva, experienced in computer science, is a decorated Army veteran recalled to active duty during the Iraq War, where he implemented the Tactical Operations Command to monitor communications. So how can Blue Line work for you? First Line Facial Recognition operates as an add-on to your existing security system. This is what a typical wiring setup in a security system looks like. As you can see, our First Line Facial Recognition system integrates seamlessly, turning a security feed from passive to active. The interface of the system is very simple to navigate. End users can build and completely control their own database. Getting started with First Line Facial Recognition is a seamless process. If a customer needs an installation in the morning, we can have you up and running by the afternoon. First Line Facial Recognition is a way to immediately address the individual at your doorstep. Blue Line's mission: to identify, protect, prevent, and welcome through a better technology and a better approach. We're providing a service to add another level of security to organizations that are searching for answers. We're matching cutting-edge technology with best practice in security. First Line Facial Recognition is a safe, reliable, accessible, and customer-focused solution at an affordable price.